All right. Super excited for today's video. We're going to be taking a look at ticker symbol VET. Okay, this is the Vechain blockchain. And no secret, okay, it has been a very, very rough fall down. Okay, if we look at from the highs all the way down to where we're sitting at today, it's about 80-90% down. Okay, so really big drop. All right. And we're just going to break it down and look, okay, and we're going to see that we broke this long-term trend line here of support, okay. And we came down, we tested it right here, and we came back to retest it, and we broke it. Okay, so what's really important now is what is the levels that we're going to want to pay attention to next. Okay, and those are going to be right over here. Okay, we have 0.0248 and 0.017. All right, those are our two major support levels. Okay, if we fall below those, we're heading back down below, a penny essentially, and we could be heading down as low as 0.007. Okay, so I would definitely watch out for that. Be prepared. However you need to manage your risk, or prepare financially for that if you are invested in this. And if you're looking for some buying opportunities, then I would suggest waiting. Okay, be patient, wait for these things to come down to these levels, and if you want to, you can start dollar cost averaging. Okay, I wouldn't throw all of your money in at once at any one of these prices at like 0.024 and expect it to moon. Okay, but those are some areas where I think investors and people like myself and other traders, they're going to be paying attention to. Okay, this support level here was very valid. We did wick down to it, and we buyers stepped in and ate up right there, and we came up. We're really consolidating, chopping in this area right here, right in between about 0.35, or I'm sorry, 0.035 to about 0.0267. Okay, right in that area. And as you can see here over on the left previously, okay, we did consolidate in this area as well, but we had a very rapid move up. Okay, and then consolidation and another rapid move higher. What we're having is the exact opposite of that effect on the other side. Okay, we're seeing quick moves down, we're seeing a little bit of consolidation, and you can most likely expect this to have another quick move down as well, and eventually hit these targets down here, and possibly even go as low as 0.007. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, there's definitely a crypto winter. There will be a crypto bull market again eventually, but for now, all we have to do is prepare and look at some things that we want to invest in, okay, for either long-term or maybe some short-term trading opportunities. No financial advice, but again, that is just my opinion. Okay, you can see here we have tested these levels here previously in the past. Okay, we traded in this area for a very long time, for about a year or two, for a couple years, honestly, right in those ranges. And it looks like that's where we're going to retest. Okay, so here again, here's that 0.02485 support level that we're currently holding valid. It's above all these previous years. Okay, we're testing some of the initial prices, all right up here, from 2018. We did fall all the way down to 0.006. Okay, and it's really, really low. All right, I think we actually even went lower, 0.002 here. What's that, 0.001 right there. Okay, so definitely plenty of room. It definitely can still keep going down. And I think that that's what may happen. Okay, because we broke this very long-term uptrend line. We could try to draw something like this, okay, and try to rearrange it a little bit and do something like that, and make this our new support trend line. Okay, so this could be an area where we potentially could bounce, but if we break this again, we're going to be heading lower down to 0.017 and potentially 0.007. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I do viewer requests every single week, so let me know what crypto, stocks, things like that you want me to chart up next, and I will give you guys, I'll make a video on it as soon as I can. Okay, thank you guys for watching.